everyone, and welcome to Drilling Deeper at mining.com.au. I'm Oriel Morris, and joining me today is Mike Stark, the CEO of Arizona Gold and Silver. Mike, it's so good to see you. How are you?
It's a pleasure, real pleasure. Thank you, Oriel.
Mike, you've got some really exciting news today because you've described the Philadelphia project as exciting. So I'm interested to hear what's giving you the confidence that you're close to a major discovery.
Well, let me start here. We have a vein that is not only robust, it is 22 meters wide. The closest neighbor to us with a robust vein was a mere 8 meters wide. And it did come back in at 1 ounce per ton at one point down dip. We're experiencing the exact same thing starting out, and we're now down to roughly 1,000 feet, 985 feet, and we're getting identical looking material above what is going to be, we believe, a very rich zone below. So the excitement is just exactly that. The model that Greg Hahn, now my VP of Exploration, has been looking at for years is not only coming to fruition, it's modeling exactly what we thought was happening a mere 10 miles away.
Well, that certainly is very exciting news. So what happens from here on out, Mike? I mean, how do these results sort of shape the strategy for the next phase of drilling?
Well, first of all, we have a hole underway now. We're approximately 200 feet away from the target zone. This will be the deepest hole we've ever drilled. And again, what we're seeing up above is we've gone from a mere 3 grams to, 9 to 11 to 14 in this case. Providing the model keeps going, this is what we are looking for down dip, an increase. Give you an example how, it is exciting this way. We went from 11 to 14. That's a 40% increase in grade from the hole above. And it's 200 feet above. That's a lot of tonnage. So when people start looking at the big picture here, we're building something really robust and very large. This little area, and I don't want to go over my skis too far, but it could contain a major amount of ounces. Again, an example of the Oatman, which is just 10 miles away, they hit a pocket of 26 feet thick. They ended up by mining 750,000 ounces out of that one singular vein. That's a lot of ounces.
That is a huge amount of ounces. It's interesting, isn't it? Because that's not that far away. Are you taking lessons from that region to guide what you're doing at Philadelphia?
In a lot of ways, yes. Look, the model has been proven, so we're following the model. Every hole that we drill deeper, it's coming back in better grade. So the model is proving itself up. What lies beyond this now down below, we hope, and we do see the possibility of an even better grade. I'm not ever going to promise a 1 ounce discovery, but it's very possible. Look, 10 miles away is like you and I standing side by side. Geography, 10 miles is nothing. So the area really supports this model, and I'm extremely pleased at how the crew is doing. It's intense heat down there right now, and the guys are working through it, but they're also so excited at what they see. So it's very good times.
So what is the timeline here, Mike?
Well, I'm hoping maybe by sometime tomorrow, now tomorrow being Friday, it's Thursday here now, we can say that we've hit the target. Now, I won't be able to discuss grade because we don't even know the grade until the lab reports. However, if we see the textures, Greg is anticipating more of a look of the 5th pulse. We've seen the 4th pulse in this current hole at 155. We're looking for the 5th pulse where the yellow quartz just overtakes everything and the bladed calcite disappears. Cross your fingers. Now, on the other hand, if it doesn't show up that way, that means we go deeper. And I'm okay with that as well, because that means the system is better at depth. We have a model that we're looking at right now where the company went down 2,800 feet. I can't promise anything like that. We're at a mere 1,000. But you imagine if this thing goes down to that kind of depth? It is magnificent. Beautiful.
Well, I certainly look forward to hearing more, Mike. It looks like we're going to be chatting again in the next couple of weeks.
I certainly look forward to that.
Mike, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you ever so much. Pleasure. Bye now.